Are you ready to learn how to make money using AI? AI is rapidly changing the world, and there are more opportunities than ever before to use this powerful technology to make money. In this video, I will share 3 ways to make money using AI. Sell YouTube thumbnail creation. You can use Midjourney to enter a prompt related to what your video is about and let the AI generate the perfect image. You can then pull it into Canva to add text and additional graphics. You can sell this service on Fiverr, Upwork, your social following, or anywhere else you might find buyers of YouTube thumbnails. Here are some tools you can use in creating the thumbnails: Midjourney and Canva image generator. Sell voiceover impressions on Fiverr. You can use a tool like voice.ai to modulate your voice to sound like a famous person or celebrity. For example, you can make yourself sound like Morgan Freeman, Elon Musk, Joe Biden, or Donald Trump. You can offer to do impressions on Fiverr and use this tool to record and transform your voice. Here are some of the tools you can use to create the voiceover. Voice.ai, 11 Lab. Sell stock images to Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock allows AI-generated images. You can use a tool like Midjourney or Stable Diffusion and generate images commonly searched for stock photos, things like business people, landscapes, and representations of current events. You can submit them to Adobe Stock and earn a commission when someone uses your image. Again, here are some of the tools I'll recommend you use for creating and selling your stock footage: Midjourney and Wirestock. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. See you soon.